If you take the people that we offer the opportunity to get off the streets, you are saving society bundles of money that we spend, not even voluntarily. If this person is on the street, he's rousted by the police multiple times a year, he's jailed multiple times a year, he has to go to emergency care multiple times a year. Those costs are far greater than the costs of subsidized housing in supportive housing.
Anybody can recover. Doesn't matter where you come from, who you are, what color your skin is, you know, we all suffer from the same thing, and that's the disease of addiction.
You can't help people overcome alcoholism, other addictions, cope with other illnesses from the street, and therefore we have to get them into housing first.